after this, in this particular classroom, we have the topic here called stream, right? In stream, what happened that we have all the information that we have done up to now. अभी कुछ कम्युनिकेशन किया था वो भी आ जाएगा, हमने जो भी मटेरियल कॉपी कभी टाइप पे दिया था वो भी यहाँ. So all the announcement comes in streams. Then comes classwork. In classwork, you have the facility that you can add calendar, you can add Google Drive, and you can create a classroom material. So these are the material. And today's concept is this only. This is something, view more. But that is the only thing. These are the only material that we need to study. So one by one, I'm opening the material and I'm going to explain to you what you need to study. This is what we have done. But this is something that you should know. Clear? Anyone clear? Okay, fine. Karishma, thank you. Let me admit first. Okay. CMAP. Let us start with one by one, right? So in which I have given this, let me make it big also so you can see better. Now, are you able to see better? Okay, fine. You'll be able to? Okay. See, concept map, concept, importance, and implications, in which this link is given. We have discussed about the concept mapping, that is C mapping, but you need certain things to write. So why we are using? So this is important. Why we are using? Okay. But what is the use of concept map, right? So it can be used for how many purposes? So these are the purposes, right? And after that, practical implication, how students can use these things. So these are the application. Step by step instruction we have not going to cover, but because practically we have discussed that, what we need to understand here is this advantages and disadvantages only, okay, of concept mapping. So these are the three steps. Clear? Okay, read the whole document, but these are the things to emphasize. Clear? If you want to write, you can write down also that concept mapping, why to use concept map, that is C map. Then what to use concept map for. Okay. Then practical implications for the applications for the student. Step-by-step instruction we are not covering because we have seen the practical applications. So there is no need to cover because this is not something we need to cover. We need to cover the practicals. For developing, let's leave it that. Now, what is the advantages of concept map? So these are the things you need to think and you have to cover up. Clear with this? So this is material number 1. Now material number 2. Safe in concept map. 20 best mind mapping software, and this is updated for 2021. So here also these 5 softwares only you need to remember. See, why need to remember? If somebody asks you what are the concept C mapping software, so we need to remember these are the 5s, right? See, we are going for MCQ examination, so we have to think this way also, right? This is something stupid right now, but this is the only way, right now. Okay. Otherwise, your testing should be thoroughly practical. That we should provide you a concept map software, you draw it and submit to us, right? That should be the exam, but that is not the way right now. So we are going to have this one only, right? Okay. So this is the second material. Remember the name, the file name, and what they do. Everything is written here, right? And features are also written here. So you don't have to worry. It's a very short material that we need to go through. That's it. Clear? And please remember, we need to focus on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only up to now. There are 20 things, and you can definitely go for 20 for your own also. But right now we are going to focus on first 6 only. Clear? So this is concept mapping. Now let's come to this one. We have learned how to make blog, but that was a practical thing that I have taught you, right? We have started those things and we have started a blog, but we need something to write also. So here is a very good material from the ankitblog.com, and he has written a wonderful way. One is why to start blogs. So importance of blog comes here, right? Then these are the steps. 10 easy steps are there. So this you have to read, nothing else, right? Whatever we have done, same thing is done by this person. But what happened that he has done for WordPress, and we have done for Google, nothing else. Okay. So we have done for Blogger, and that person has done for WordPress. So this is just a thing we need to read, nothing else, right? Okay. Next is social networking tool, in which we have seen these three websites when I was teaching social media. So these are the means this website is only for the reason that why social networking tool are important. So they are important for four reasons: sharing, collaboration, exchange, and creativity. Okay, so these are reason we have seen, we have shown at that time. Then we need a list of awesome social media tools in education. So this we have seen, if you remember, uh, Edmodo, TED, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Vimeo, WordPress, Blogger, Skype, Pinterest, YouTube, TeacherTube, Academia. This is very good. We should see this. LinkedIn, then LabRoots. This is for scientific purposes and scientific research. ResearchGate is good for those who are looking for research collaboration. And LabCulture again is for scientists and artists. Okay. So these are the things we have gone through, and this we need to remember. Okay. Uh, Academia is it's a kind of it's a tool right now where academics and researchers used to come together. So when you're going for higher education, academia can be very helpful to you. You can see here that how many people are already joining this particular one. I am also a part of it. If I'm going to click here, I will also going to have my account here. But we don't want to show these things to you right now because it is of no use. Okay, we have to remember only right now. So these are 25. If you don't want to go for 25, there is 10. And this we have also seen, right? One by one, if you remember.
Yes,
That
sir.
Audacity, right? Then EduBlog, then Eagle, then GoToMeeting. Eagle we have cut off because it's of no use in India. So we have cut off that thing, right? Then if you remember GoToMeeting, then Google Collaboration Tool. Google Collaboration Tool means what? These 9 dots. Are you able to understand? These 9 dots. And whatever the tools that we have, these are called Google Collaboration Tools. Clear? Okay. Then MindMaster, that is a mind mapping map. C concept mapping software. Then TalkShoe, you can have your own radio on it. If you remember, have you got something that we have finished this? Wikispaces, then VoiceThread, then Yammer. Yammer is, please remember, Yammer is from Microsoft. It is totally free. You can really do a wonderful job in Yammer. Okay, so these are the things. That's it. After Yammer, nothing is there. So these are the tools of social networking that we need to just go through. Clear? Then I will not going to touch those things which I have not covered yet. Let us finish those things which we have covered, right? Then virtual classroom. So in virtual classroom, this PPT I have showed you, and this PPT I have kept in the Google Classroom, so you can go through. Clear? So this is Google Classroom. Then e-learning. E-learning also taught through PPT, so the PPT is kept here for your reference. Okay, that's it. Then we have finished M-learning also. So M-learning is also kept for your reference, so you can study it. See, teaching is different story, exam is different story right now. So kindly go through this material, it will be helping to you. Then type a webinar, I'm not touching right now because still it is need to be taught. Type of search engine. Now, this is a link for you. See, we have on that day we have opened so many different browsers that ask Yahoo, Baidu, Yandex, and all these things, right? Okay, Bing is there, and this was the thing. If you remember, I have opened this website only at that time. So Google is the first one, Microsoft, Yahoo, Baidu, and I told you that what I'm using, DuckDuckGo. Hana? It is private and nobody can stress you what you are doing, right? So this is the website. These are the different search engine. You have to remember the name and just you have to just remember what exactly they are about, right? So you have to remember name, nothing else. And then what is that speciality, right? Why people are using this browser only? Every now and then people are preparing browsers, right? Firefox is there, but Firefox is not there in list. See, Firefox is one of the thing with then Opera is also browser. In India, we are using Firefox and Opera, but these are not in the list. Why? Because they are not in the world's best search engine list. They have different functionality than what we are looking for, right? So these are the list of top popular search engines in the world. Then Web.2. So here, see, Web 2.0 and Classroom 2.0 have certain tool. So first of all, what is Web 2.0? So this is the thing. Why we are using this means web tools. So these are the reasons. And after that, directly, we need to just jump to this only. These are the tools. You can see these are the tools. Okay, we have seen some of the tools from that. Okay, so these are the tools, nothing else. Okay, we have seen the tools, so I'm not going for it. But what is Web 2.0? You need something to write. So this is the definition for that. And why we are using that? So these are the reasons, right? So this material need to be covered up this way. Then internet and its concept. I started first with this only. This is also PPT, right? And this is the concept that I have given, right? So this is something you can go through. Now, yes, please, welcome. Now, from this material, what is remaining, I'll show you, and what can be done on that. Okay. See, concept mapping is done. How to create blog is done. Simple step for creating webinar is remaining. Now, what is webinar? It is just like a seminar only, but it's a concept of virtual reality just coming into seminar. It's called webinar. Clear? Now, how to create webinar? This is very important. This is something that we should learn because as a teacher, this is something that we are going to do in future, right? And this is going to be a part, right? So we have to learn anyhow, right? So we don't need to see what is B2B marketing and all these things. We have to just focus on the steps only. First of all, choose your team. Because webinar is something which can be done, which can be done alone also, and which can be done with the team also. But if you are doing with the team, it will be going to be a wonderful experience. What is required? You require an organizer. Then definitely, see, I am organizing the seminar or webinar. Then I need somebody to speak, that is presenter. And there might be some trouble in between. So I need some assistant also. So three which people are most important in creating webinar. One is organizer, second is presenter, and third is assistant. It depends upon how many assistants and how many presenters you want. Presenters can be plural also because if your webinar goes for 2 or 3 days or maybe 5 to 6 hours, one person cannot speak for 5 hours or if one person can speak, people get bored. So you need different people also, right? That's why. And then the assistant also depending upon need. कौन सा need है? Audio video है. Sometimes audios are not working properly. Sometimes video is not properly suffering. Sometimes internet connection is a problem. Sometimes software is a problem. So you require person according to the need. Clear? Then second is decide the webinar format. Webinar format means what? That आप जो वेबिनार करने वाले हो, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ सेमिनार राइट नाउ, उसमें एक ही स्पीकर बोलेगा, क्या वो इंटरव्यू में होगा? दैट मींस 2 पर्सन आर गोइंग टू हैव इंटरव्यू एंड पीपल आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व यू ऑन द इंटरनेट, इसमें होगा? या तो फिर मॉडरेट पैनल डिस्कशन होगा? पैनल डिस्कशन मींस several speakers are there and talk about one predetermined topic. That means पहले से एक टॉपिक डिसाइड है, उसी टॉपिक पे वो बोलेंगे, ऐसा होगा? या तो फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन होगा? वो सब में होता ही है, लेकिन इवन मेनी सेमिनार्स आर जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली, दैट यू हैव स्टडीड दिस मटेरियल, नाउ कम फॉर क्वेश्चन आंसर ओनली, राइट? दैट वे. And they are also specific to that particular predetermined topic only. Clear? Then we have you have to see it's a webinar. You are on the internet. This will be kind of a outlook, right? Your PPT or your material will be here. You will be here, you will be seen from like this, right? So we have to plan our visuals also, right? We have to plan visual for webinar and get your presenter camera ready. That means if you are the presenter, if I have the presenter, I need to be camera ready. Webinar cannot be having in this kind of background, right? Please remember, sorry to say again and again, but this background is not good for online teaching, very frankly. But right now it is this only, so we are enjoying, right? Clear? So you need to have a decent white background or a decent plain background like this. You can see here, this lady. And then we have to prepare beautiful visuals also. Now, I have again re-emphasizing that if you want to have a beautiful visuals, go to which one? As I told you again, Canva, right? This one. Here you have PowerPoint. You can write down here only power. See, you have the presentation, right? This is the one, presentation. So when you add presentation, you will find lots of presentation. And they have now video presentation facility also. Now you can check here, right? See, I'm just running it. Kindly observe it. See, and this is theme based. You can see theme based there, right? Now it is theme based. Okay, it is thoroughly theme based. So you don't have to do anything. Every color combinations, font size, everything they have given. You have to add your content only, nothing else, right? And they are 3D. You can see they are 3D. You can move around here and there. You can do a lot of stuff, right? Okay. Then if you, and it is not just one only. I have used this one. So again, this has come. See, this is called minimalistic. That means a very less design and less content. See, okay. So this software is providing you a ready-made PowerPoint template. So with the help of you can and see how many are there. Infinite. आप देखो कितने हैं. Suppose you are going for a keynote presentation somewhere. आपको कोई बहुत बड़े function में बुला रहा है. So you are going to create one design and you are going to follow it. Let us say I am going taking this design. Online meeting 101. So you can see here, right? All 11 pages are here, and I'm just applying those 11 pages. You can see from here, from the day, means from the first one. Yeah, see, blue and this pink, blue and pink, yellow. So everything is so synced that you don't have to worry about all color and all this bullshit. They have decided all these things. You need to just add your things only. So the next part is here, that is to design your visuals, right? Visuals need to be appealing because see, at one point of time I am speaking, it's okay, but they need to be captured through good visuals also. That is very important. Without that, nothing can be done. I'll show you one of the things. I'll show you so that example so you can see. Now see this that I have prepared. Let me check this way so I can check and I can help. These are all my professional works. You can check here. See, this is the way we have to discuss. See, this is the framework. See, I'll show you this only first, then I'll go ahead. See, this is the framework where you show yourself, and this I have taken from this only. See, I'll show you. After adding this. Let me add here only. Add page, and here I'm adding this. So you can check it, right? It will take time because it's a high definition. So our internet is very slow because of this issue is there. Now, see, this is the only picture. What I have done, I have used my picture on it, and this is done this way. Clear? Next is this, that I have taken this one. I'll show the, make it big. I have designed it, sorry. I have designed the logo into it, and then these different pictures I have taken. See, I'm right now speaking in front of you in one of the window in this Google Meet platform also. But visuals are more affecting, right? We need more good visuals, right? They should look appealing to us. Then only students will be engaged, then only these attendees in webinars will be engaged, right? One more thing. This is what I have prepared. Uh, See, just like as I'm giving you one word a day, this is what I have prepared for future, and that is tip a day. This is the logo. You can design logo also in this software. See, I'm preparing a book on these things, and here two is there now. We are going to have, I think, 500, right? I'm looking for 500 tips and all this, right? So things are going on. It will take time, but still things are going on, right? So you can do wonderful stuff with this particular software. Learn to use it well, nothing else. Clear? There are many softwares are
Yes.
there. Suppose if you ask, PictoChart is also there. Uh, Different teachers are using different software because this is a little bit difficult, so people are not using this. But if you like it, you can use it. Otherwise, PowerPoint is also enough. You have this software with you, which is enough to create wonderful things. Okay. Now, where you have created visuals, you have prepared your presenter, step 3 is over. Then step 4, select the webinar solution. See, हम webinar करेंगे तो कहाँ करेंगे? So there are different platforms are available. If it is, if you want to make it free, and if you, sorry, किसी ने बोला कुछ काम है वृत्ति? Okay, so please mute your mic if there is no work. Uh, See, we need to, we require a software. आपने आप लोगों ने सब कुछ कर लिया, लेकिन we require a software which can help us to have a professional look or professional means professional outlook for that particular webinar. Now, what happened that we have Google Meet and Zoom, but free version of these two are only limited to 100 only. And suppose you have the webinar of 5,000, 3,000 people, then definitely this will not work. Okay. And these Google Meet and Zoom are having very less functionality for webinar, right? So throughout the world, the best in the market is go to seminar. जितने भी बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट, जितने भी बड़े बड़े कलाकार हैं, वो अपने वेबिनार कहाँ करते हैं? That is on this platform called GoToWebinar. It is a little bit pricey, and that is why it is not affordable for us. We can start freely, right? Okay.
सर
Then, हाँ बोलिए.
सर कुछ लोग यूट्यूब पे भी करते हैं ना,
हाँ, यूट्यूब
ज्यादा
पे भी करते
पर्सन।
हैं, यूट्यूब लाइव करके करते हैं, राइट ना. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि देयर मीन्स देन द क्वेश्चन आंसर विल बी अ लिटिल बिट इश्यू, राइट? अदरवाइज यूट्यूब लाइव इज रियली गुड. इवन फेसबुक पे भी ऑप्शन है ये, राइट? दिस
यस
फेसबुक पे अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है.
Yes, sir.
बट आई एम शोइंग यू दीज आर, हाँ बोलिए, कौन था? यस. Okay. Then Big Marker is there, Adobe Connect is there, WebEx. WebEx Cisco is a very good tool. It is free for 100 users. It is not allowed in MS University. Otherwise, this is a very good tool. And a Click Meeting is also there. See, all these professional websites are taking money because of two reasons. Number one is that they have some custom built templates. Second thing is that they have opinion polls and all these things, right? You can, in between, you can add questions, you can add some opinion poll. They click on 4 options and then they find the opinion, right? So many things are there, which can be done in YouTube also by adding some extra plugins. So free and paid, both options are there for creating seminar. Now, when you select with webinar solution, that means select a software, then the next is, see, these are the software. Click Meeting का उन्होंने दिया है, then this capture का दिया है. They just advertising, nothing else. Screenshots are there. Okay. Then you need your right equipment and space, definitely. You require a good camera of mobile is enough, right? Second thing, you require a good microphone where you can have a good crispy voice. Apart from that thing, you require a place where you find quietness, and room term is less. There is a word in English called room term. What is room term? Room term means the room or atmosphere wherever you are. There is some kind of noise, some kind of noise is always there, right? Whether something is happening or not, little bit noise is there, which will be always captured by the electronic devices, right? So how to remove them? There is also a trick which is taught on Audacity. You can check Audacity and you can learn from that. But point here is that we have to find out a space where space looks good in camera, and also it is quiet so we can record well or we can speak well if we are live, right? So quiet place and good place. Good place means what? Neat and clean background. We don't want distracted background, right? Clear? Then publicize and promote your webinar. That is most important thing कि आपने एक seminar design किया है, webinar design किया है, and you have created planning all these things. You have also decided a platform. You have decided everything right now. But कोई देखने ही ना आए तो क्या होगा? So we need to, for maximum participation, we need to make it an ad on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can give on YouTube also. Even you can circulate to your friends and colleague also. You can also request them to promote as much as possible, right? You can use your own personal contacts also. You can send reminder through Gmail. See, email is something which people have forgotten, but email is also one of the very good marketing tool. Whatever, how many email ID you are having, you can take it and you can share it. There are people in the world, or there are people in India also, they have the bulk email list, and they take some money and they email your content to all those 10,000, 50,000 people, right? वो अलग बात है कि 10,000, 50,000 में से 500 भी नहीं देखते, because you are also not observing the email that are in the spam and the trash, right? Okay. So these are the things, okay? And then pick the right date and place, right? This is very important. See, ये एक ट्यूसडे का एक गो टू वेबिनार का रिपोर्ट है कि भाई गो टू वेबिनार में ट्यूसडे जब होता है तब सबसे ज्यादा लोग मीन्स अटेंड करते हैं. So according to your convenience, according to the convenience of your locality, your topic, you decide that right place and time, date and time, okay? That's it. And choose the topic of interest. Now this is very important, and for this you should use internet. Whatever topic you want to convey or whatever topic you want to teach or discuss, write down on the internet. Try to see if somebody has done it or not. That is most important thing, because whatever you want to do, if somebody has done on the same manner, there will be no use, right? So your content, the way it is presented, the way it is highlighted, the way it is written should be unique, a little bit different, and it should be striking also, right? So right, I mean, on the Google, search your topic, that what kind of titles people are using for your topic, right? Okay, from that try to make it. Then there is a topic, there is a system called Google Analytics. It is going to tell you कि which are the frequency word. That means लोग जब सर्च करते हैं तो कौन से वर्ड बहुत फ्रिक्वेंट होते हैं. तो अगर आप वो वर्ड यूज करोगे तो आपकी सर्च इंजन में, दैट मीन्स पीपल सर्च करेंगे तो आपकी वेबसाइट या फिर आपका जो टॉपिक है वो उभर के आएगा, राइट? सो दे कैन सी, है ना? So this is choosing the topic, okay? Then produce content. Please remember, when you want to create content, you need to attend other webinars also. You can see how these things are going on. See, we are novice. That means नौ सीखे बोलते हैं ना, अभी अभी मार्केट में आए हैं ऐसे हैं, तो क्या करेंगे? We are going to observe the other people. We are going to observe how they are conducting, and we are going to learn it, right? Lots of videos are available on YouTube. YouTube has now become one of the big universities in the world. It's a free university where you can really do a lot of stuff. But unfortunately, even YouTube survey is telling that people are using YouTube for such a C-level work that even I cannot discuss, leave it. point here is that you can make your fortune with the help of YouTube. You can really learn lots of skill from the YouTube, but we are not able to understand. One thing out of syllabus, just I want to share with you. Just 1 minute. Hmm. Uh, it's a concept about money. People may ask this question that, am I not able to earn money? Or I'm not able to be financially independent? What is that? What are the reasons? Well, one of the reason is that they don't understand the principles of earning money. And the principles of earning money is that uh, the higher the amount do you want, you have to prepare yourself at that level. Then only you will get it. Are you getting? If your skill
Yes,
level
sir.
is down, then you are aspiring for a salary of 1 lakh right now. You have to create a kind of a personality. You have to create a kind of a skill in you so that you can get 1 lakh. Clear? So
Yes,
हमारा
sir.
क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत हाई होता है और हमारी डिजर्विंग कैपेसिटी बहुत कम होती है. So we have to prepare like such our personality, our skill, so that our deserving capability also increase and we get something that we want. Okay? Without which क्या होगा? There is always frustration because you don't have a skill but you have dreams. Now dreams cannot be fulfilled uh, in air, right? We don't have Genie, Aladdin Genie, right, with us. It's all bullshit. We have only one thing with us, and that is our mind. Okay, so prepare your mind, work on your mind, work on your skill, that is physical skills also and mental skills also, and then only you can have some level of competence, and that competence is going to give you money. है ना? तो लोग बोलते कि टीचिंग फील्ड में पैसा नहीं है. I'll give you the link of so many students and I'll give you the link of so many other people around the world. They are earning just like anything right now. Anything means not even university professors cannot also earn that way, that they are earning with the help of their own skills of teaching. One of the example already I given you about the chemistry teachers of Surat. Yes or no? And this was just one example. People are doing so many other different things that you cannot even imagine. There is a website called Craigslist. Kindly go through it and just find out what kind of jobs are available for teachers. You will enjoy like anything, right? Clear. So this is, and then keep practicing. This is most important, right? Keep practicing. See, when you are preparing a website, or sorry, seminar material, webinar material, you have to understand that also, that what kind of timing you are going to have. Is it going to be see, webinar should not be more than 1 hour, right? And topics need to be divided into 10 minutes, 10 minutes right now, or maybe 30 minutes, not more than that, right? And if you're going to charge minimum for 1 hour, right? Yes or no? Minimum, right? Depends upon what kind of presenters you are bringing. If your presenters are very high and very profile, you can charge more also. But suppose you yourself is starting right now, you can charge with 100 rupees or 200 rupees, right? Okay. If you're hiring a software, then definitely you need to pay money for that also. Then you can charge 500, 600 like that, right? Okay. Depends upon your skill level, your talent level, your name. Here, this is also earning, but earning thing, right? A lot of people are doing webinars. They are charging 200 rupees fees. They doing on a free platform called WebEx or Zoom. And let us say if they are charging 200 rupees and they got 20 parties, sorry, they got 200 participants, what will be the price of 1 hour? कितना होगा? Count करो. 200 into 200 कितना हुआ? कोई तो बोलो, मैथ्स वाले.
40,000.
What, sir? 40,000.
It's 40,000 right now. Very good. It's 40,000. Now, कोई ऐसा जॉब है जिसमें 1 hour में आप 40,000 कमा सको? और ये that is of 1 hour right now. If you prepare and if you advance yourself, if you just go into deep into this right now, this is the beginning, right? 200 रुपए का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, लेकिन if those 200 rupees got multiplied by people right now, you will have millions also, right? So don't say underestimate the power of these softwares, these concepts. These concepts maybe are right now, we are focusing on writing the exams only, but these softwares can make your life also. Really, you can earn as much as you want, you can fulfill your dreams, whatever you want to do, you will have with the help of these. I have taken the personal experience of these softwares. It has helped me. That is why I'm sharing with you. This is something that you should do, right? So, and now, last is keep practicing. एक और भी बाकी है, sorry. Keep practicing means what? That at least learn to speak, or keep practicing means try to find out what exactly the other seminars or webinar holders are doing, right? What is their specialty? Why they are so much popular? What unique thing they are doing that you should do, right? That is very important. Then follow up with the attendees. That is most important, right? Suppose you have a webinar on the 14th of Feb. अभी 14th of Feb पे तो कोई webinar नहीं करेगा, because on that day only the love is in the air. That comes, then after that it comes in the hair, right? Yes or no? Okay. So on that day only the love is in the air, right? And after that पता नहीं कहाँ चला जाता है. उसी दिन वो गुलाब का भाव बढ़ जाता है, right? Yes or no? Last year only one couple was here, right? And they have given the bouquet to each other. Unfortunately, I was just passing by, so I asked them that how much money you have spent on, right? That person says this bouquet is of 500 rupees, and that girl says my bouquet is of 150 rupees. उसमें क्या थे? तीन ही गुलाब थे, right? And they said it's a bouquet, right? Okay. So I say that इस पे अच्छा था कि भाई आप लोगों ने ये 500 और ये जो मीन्स ये 150 रुपए है उसका फ्रूट्स ले आते, एक्सचेंज कर लेते और फ्रूट सलाद बना के खा लेते, तो शक्ति भी रहती और अच्छे सेहत भी रहती, राइट? So they were laughing like anything, but that's a foolish thing, right? On that day only, people think that we should need to give, express our love. We should need to give gifts, right? A silly thing, but it's okay. We have to symbolize that thing, and I don't believe in these days, so I don't care for it. But if you really want to enjoy these days, make a Valentine your skill, yourself. That on this day, I'll start loving myself. I'll start loving one of the subject in my life, and I will start developing and devoting myself to that particular skill, that particular work. For me, unfortunately, I got it, and that is communication skills and non-verbal communication. In your life, you find and just add it, right? Okay. For you, maybe a dancing, if you think, right? Yes or no? On that day, make it your girlfriend who, or make it your boyfriend who. Which one? Your skill, yourself, right now. Yes or no? Start loving yourself. Start taking care of yourself. Start jogging. Start dieting. Start meditation. Go for gym. These are the way we can really take care of ourselves. We can love ourselves, right? Okay, that's way. So out of syllabus चले गए थे. Let us come back to this, right? Follow up attendees में और कि भाई 14 Feb का अपने एक वेबिनार रखा है. Now 14 Feb पे कोई आएगा तो नहीं, डेफिनेटली, लेकिन रखा है और लोगों ने उसमें एनरोल भी करना चालू कर दिया. So we have to follow up with the attendees, right? Yes or no? Attendees means what? Okay, भाई 3 दिन के बाद सेमिनार है तो भाई 3 days to go, then 1 day to go, then half an hour is to go, right? These kind of, we are getting this SMSs and all those things. So that settings we need to do. Second thing is that after the completion of webinar, you have the list of attendees with you with their email ID. So this is a very prime list which you can use for your next webinar also. Right? People are doing that. Okay, if you are going to attend my next webinar, you will get 10% discount, something like that. Right? So this is professional area. For educational webinars, you can go for free also. I requested my student last year also, and this year also are requesting, have an experiment like that. If you want to do, come, tell me also. I'll definitely help you out, and we can do together also. Let us do these kind of webinars free for students, from students. Think in that direction, right? Technical support I'll provide, right? Organizations I'll provide. You become the presenter, right? And let us go for a free webinar on a free platforms as an experiment. If you want to do let me know on WhatsApp. We will be thinking in that direction. So this is webinar. Clear? And with this, I need to shut you off because you have one lecture after 10 minutes. So Thank you very much for your time. I hope something you have learned today. Have you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Good, right? So
Okay.
see you again at 1:15.
1:45.
Okay?
45.
1:45. Sorry, 1:45. Okay?
Good day,
Fine.
sir.
Good day.
Okay,
Take care.
thank
Thank
you, sir.
you.